Hello everyone! Are you wondering how often you should clean a guinea pig's cage? Let's find out. Keeping your guinea pig's cage clean is essential for their health and happiness. Ideally, you should spot clean the cage daily. This involves removing any soiled bedding, uneaten food, and waste. Daily spot cleaning helps maintain a hygienic environment and reduces odors. A thorough cleaning of the entire cage should be done once a week. This involves removing all bedding and accessories, washing the cage with a mild pet-safe disinfectant, and replacing with fresh bedding. Be sure to clean food dishes, water bottles, and any toys during this weekly cleaning as well. In summary, spot clean your guinea pig's cage daily and perform a full clean once a week. Regular cleaning ensures a healthy living space for your guinea pig, promoting their overall well-being and comfort. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.